everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy papaya and banana smoothie. Let's get into it. First of all, I'm going to put everything in this blender. So what you would need is 250 grams of papaya, 1 banana, half a cup of almond milk, and 1 pinch of nutmeg. Now I'm going to place the lid on and blend it up. Now that's done, it's time to taste. Smells nice. That is so delicious. It's so nice. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed and see you next time.